Okay guys, what is up and welcome back. In today's video we have this beautiful Bentley Continental GT Speed. It's a V8 hybrid car and we're going to take a walk around on this particular unit, but let's highlight the main beautiful thing about this car is that the color. The name of this color is called Thunder. Damn man, this really looks like a piece of art. Now this does look very appealing. Thunder, the name of the color itself looks stunning. Got a lot of grey finishes here and there, blends in super well with the way this car looks. Now let's take a walk around from the front first to show you how this car looks. Then we're going to move down to the wheels. Then we're going to go to the passenger side. Then we're going to go to the rear. Then we're going to come back to the driver's seat. So yeah, let's unlock the car first thing. Cool. So we unlock it, the lights light up. Let's start off with this beautiful design of the front headlights. Check that out guys, looks really stunning. You gotta be here to experience this in person to really admire how beautiful this car looks. Check out the grills, the openings here and there. It's really awesome. This honeycomb like design, that Bentley front chrome badge, beautiful guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Now check that out man, damn, looks really one of a kind man. Now Thunder is the name of the color again. Now let's check out the front hood that you see here. These cuts here and there, that center lining that is over there, with that light, reflection of the light here and there, the way it goes, beautiful. Move down to the wheels. Now the wheels, these are 22-inch wheels with a red caliper that is on there, as you can see. Beautiful. Tinted, dark tint wheels, that's what they call it. Stunning. Now speed word that is over there. Check out the wheels from this angle, very nice. The tire size on this car, let's look for it. 375 35 R22. Beautiful man. That's the front. Let's move on to the side of the mirrors that we have right there. Check that out. Let's unlock again. Beautiful. The bottom piece that we have right here, I like how it goes in and goes out back. Very unique design. If you notice that this is a different color compared to that, so love that two-tone finish, blends in very well with the grill. Now let's move to the inner part of the car. Check that out man, that is really nice indeed. Now we have these additional finishes and touches right here. Looks really beautiful. Under the light, with the reflection here and there, you can also see some tones here and there that are a bit different. Some chrome linings here. Got this beautiful wooden finish that we have over here. Stunning. Very nice. Got the speed word right here, also in this wooden finish. Now the interior, let's highlight the name of the interior guys. This is called the Beluga in saddle. So from what I know, saddle is of course the brown that you see here. Now Beluga is the black that is on it. So those two-tone contrast finishes here and there makes the car stand out absolutely well guys. Really well. Beautiful. Just love how it looks. Chrome finishes here and there. Memory seats. Damn. Bentley Speed, handcrafted. Wow, in England. Very nice. British brand of course. Check that out. See the adjustments. Now let's move this to the back. Now I'm not going to be sitting in this car. It's because I believe this car is either going to be with a new owner soon or it belongs to someone. But check out seats. They have some hook right there. Got this to move the seat forward, seat backward, up and down, here and there. Cool. Check out the interior, the rear part of this car. Looks really unique and very nice indeed guys. Check that out. Beautiful design. Now let's move on to the rear part. Leave that door open. It's right here. The wheels, same thing. You got your solid disc brake calipers for the rear. dark tint wheels. This I believe should be the petrol tank. Oh, sorry, it's the AC and DC. Yep, this is a plug-in hybrid. So yeah, AC, not really a DC because it's a hybrid, but yeah, cool. You know what? Let's close on the wheels there. I mean the door that we have right here. But before that, let's push the seat slightly back a bit. Let it go back down. Let's close this. Soft close doors. Cool, man. Damn. Now, the rear lights, tail lights for this, which we may turn on in the future in a while more, but for now, let's just press the unlock button. Very nice. Check it out how it lights up. Looks really cool. The exhaust pipes are here. Name right there. Beautiful. Beautiful indeed. Same as well here. So we're gonna get this car started. There you go, man. So let's take a look at how this beautiful beast sounds. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So after the car has started, now let's take a look at the door side again over here. Now these has a lot of chrome finishes here and there, and it looks really appealing, especially with the brown leather. They got some wooden trim right here. You got this chrome strip right here, some suede finishes here and there. Stunning chrome finishes here. Petrol cap to open up the rear boot, memory seats, and these are these Bentley signature sound system. Got your Bentley logo right down there, covered up nice for the future owner. Nice and soft leather fabric carpets that we have right here, all over the place. The finishing is superb. The Bentley brakes, accelerator pedals, suede finishes all over the place. Beautiful wooden stuff here. Look at all this. You gotta be here to experience this, but this looks very much appealing, guys. Super appealing. I love the interior. This right there, got the embroidery, chrome stuff. Push seat forward. Same thing right here at the back. Brown seat belts. Super elegant and decent. That right there, cup holders to keep stuff in too. Let's close that. Beautiful. Let's put the seat back. Some brown seat belts here. Very nice indeed. Chrome adjustments for your stuff. Let's take a seat in. Very quick seat, just to get a feel of what the owners would be having as their own. Amazing gear knob, the Bentley logo right on top, P, engine start right here. A lot of adjustments here and there. I believe this you push, opens up. Cup holders located down here. This I believe is you lift up, and you have your wireless charging also. Nice, very nice indeed. Let's close that back down. Finishing is superb finishing, guys. It is beautiful indeed. Stunning. All these finishes, touches that we have right up here. Love this suede finish that we have all the way up there. It's crazy. It's crazy beautiful. Let's close the doors. Beautiful, guys. So that's how beautiful this car looks. Stunning piece of art. Unlock the cars again. Check out the lights, how they turn on. Beautiful. This is stunning, bro. Super stunning. So guys, if you'd like to find out more about Bentley cars, do head down to Bentley Kuala Lumpur, all the way here in KL. It's right nearby KLCC. The location is in the description below, where you can find out more about this car and check out with the sales team. They are more than happy to show you around this beautiful piece of art right behind me, and also many of the other cars that they have on display, guys. Beautiful place to be. Super beautiful, man. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. And yeah, before that, check out the rear boot. Let's open up the rear boot. Storage is good as well. There, let's close the rear boot. Some cable storage here and there. It's locked up. Oh, okay, cool. It's already locked. Is it locked? Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Cool. Okay, guys, that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.